Dealing with an Epson ink leak? It's frustrating to find ink spilling from the side of your printer. I experienced this after a head cleaning, noticing ink on the floor and behind my table. The good news? Fixing it is simple. In just 10 steps in 10 minutes, you can resolve the issue. Step 1. Remove the screw at the back of the printer. Step 2. Take off the printer cover carefully. Step 3. Unscrew the ink waste tank. Step 4. Remove the ink waste tank from the printer. Step 5. Take out the sponge from the waste tank and wash it clean. Clean the sponge pads thoroughly until they turn white. Step 7. Wipe away any spilled ink inside the printer. Step 8. Reassemble the cleaned ink waste tank. Step 9. Screw the tank securely in place. Step 10. Attach the printer cover and fasten the screws. Your printer is now ready to use.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support us. This is Daily Rhythms, where we share day-to-day activities, fun moments, and useful tips to keep your life interesting. See you in the next video.